Dear friends, welcome to my channel. So today I am going to make the unboxing and reviewing of the SleepX dual medium soft and hard twin size mattresses. So this is an high density foam mattress. It's like a PU foam. So the dimension for the twin size is 72 into 60 into 5 inches. So where 72 is the total height and 60 is the width and 5 mm is the thickness of the mattresses. So this will be comes with a pre-assemble. So you need to just open the covers and automatically it will be get assembled. So this mattress is a reversible. It means we can use for both the sides. So one side it will be an medium soft and another side it will be medium hard. So this medium soft we can use during the summer season and medium hard can be used during the raining and winter season. So this will becomes with a warranty of 7 years from the manufacturer. So generally this SleepX is the manufactured by Sleepwell. It is by Sleepwell manufacturer. So both will be in the partnership. Now you can see the box. In that there is only one product we can see, no additional. So this will be like a sniper. So it will be used to cut the plastic sheet. Okay, so instead of any blades or knife, we can use this one. Okay, so this will be comes around 14 kg in the box, 12 to 14 kg. Okay, so here after making the so many research, I have made this order because I was thought of going to the SleepEdge or Duroflex and different brands. But finally, this made me a little impressed because the color and because we can see in the offline market also there are so many different mattresses with a brown color, reddish color, but this orange color it will make more impress to me. So that's what I thought of buying this one, and also the brand. So anyhow, as we know, SleepX and Sleepwell both are a very popular brand in the market. So that made me to go through this product. Okay, and coming to the so many ratings in the online platforms like Amazon and Flipkart, so it's having a good rating. In a short time, it reaches many customer satisfaction. Okay, so after reviewing all these, I brought this from the Amazon. So this will be cost around 8,090 rupees for me through Amazon. So it will be available in both the Amazon and Flipkart also, and also in their website also, SleepX website, you can directly go there. So there also there will be some discount or some coupon code will be provided for this product. So you can buy from any of these platform. Okay, so the links I will provide in my description. You can buy from that link also. Okay, just for the confirmation you can go through the link. Okay, so even I used this mattress for the last 3-4 days. Okay, so after 3-4 days of recording this, again I am giving the voice to that recording. Okay, so what I feel after using this mattress, so one side the soft, medium soft, so that's makes you more comfortable even if you are having any issues like back pain, spinal pain. So this will be like a memory foam. Okay, so you will be comfortable. Even 2 days of sleeping, I was very comfortable with this. No issue. And the fitness or fitness to the bed is also perfect. I have queen bed, that is I brought from the Wakefit, and it is very fit to the that bed also, without having any extra or less size. It is perfectly fit to the bed. And also the height. Okay, so the height of this bed, it will be perfectly matched to the head, whatever the gap will be there from the bed to the head, so it will be perfectly fit to that location. Okay, and if you want little hard, okay, because it's depends upon the person to person, whichever the comfortable platform you want, you can go for the hard also if you want. Okay, so hard one is a plain white, and this medium soft, it will be like a hatching with a white and brown color. So you can go through any one. Okay, so I think from by looking at the quality, it will give more durability. Life is more. Okay, so you can go for more durability. You can use at least 8 to 10 years without any problem. Okay, so and also please make sure that you should use the mattress cover. It should be waterproof, because if you are having the kids or any water, if it is fall down on this, it may get smell or some damages, because anyhow the outer surface is like white color, so it looks different. So you better use for any mattress cover that should be in the water resistance. Then you can go for long time usage for this. Okay, now you can see how it is fit to the bed. Okay, so after opening the plastic material, wait for at least half an hour so that it will regain its shape. Okay, so initially it will take more time, so you need to wait for at least half an hour so that it will get to their original position. Okay, once it is open, you can keep this plastic also if you want, or if you don't want, you can remove this one. It will make some sounds, so that it may disturb your sleep. Okay, you can remove the plastic cover also if you want. Okay, so you can buy from this Amazon also. That link is provided in the description, or also Flipkart. So both option you are having. Right. So if you are having any doubts related to this, you can make me in the comments box. So this is an 5-inch foam. So you will get 5 and 6, both option is available, and different size variant is also available. You can go for any size. Okay, it will be mentioned in the description. You can go for king size and queen size and single bed, double bed, whatever the dimension you want. All the variants are available in this. Okay, so this will be manufactured by Sleepwell. Okay, now it's gaining the shape. You can see slowly it will get regain its perfect shape. Okay, so this is an high density foam. So high density foam is like there are some sponge or foam inside that, so that we called as a PU foam. Okay, so different layers of foams are used to make the manufacturing of this. So that's what, when we will reversible, when we'll make the reverse, so we feel different comfortable with this. Okay, so now whatever the position you are seeing in this picture, so that will be an medium soft. Okay, so this white, I think it is medium hard. Okay, so this is a medium hard, and this one, it is a medium soft. You can see how much soft it is. Even I'm walking on that, so you can feel how soft the material it is. Okay, even if you sleep, the entire body, it will be inside the mattress. So you can feel that water. Okay, so there will be no movement in the water, even if there is a nearby If I am walking the nearby to that also, the water is not felt on this. It means it cannot disturb the other persons when you are sleeping on the one side. Okay, so this is an 5-inch thickness. Still it will regain its shape. Okay, still it is under, because just I opened it was for 5 to 10 minutes. So you need to at least wait for half an hour so that it will comes to their positions, exact positions. Okay, so use the best cover to protect this one from the water or anything. Use the safety cloth or safety cover. Some you can get it the zip cover also, so you can buy anything. Okay, thank you for watching.